guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some Amish mustard pickled eggs. So what I've got here is I have 14 eggs, but I know I'm definitely going to use 12. I'm trying to fit the 14 in it. I've got some thinly sliced vidalia onion. And on the burner over here, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 4 cups of water. One cup of white vinegar. A tablespoon of salt. One cup of sugar.
It bubbled.
It bubbled. And I've got some mustard seed. I'm going to use a tablespoon of these. I've got yellow mustard seed. And about 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard, prepared mustard. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to a boil. Then I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So once it simmers for about 5 minutes, I am going to take it off to cool slightly because I don't want the eggs to cook any longer. I did say these are boiled eggs, right? But I'm going to get this started and we'll bring you back when we put everything together. The only thing is, once I get them put together, it's going to be about a week before I can get into them because they need to sit in the fridge for about a week. Alright, we'll bring you back when everything's ready to start. Okay, now what I've started doing in here, I put a layer of onions and a couple of eggs, then another layer of onions. And these have been refrigerated, so they're not still warm or anything. And this is a half-gallon pickle jar. Some people add turmeric to this to make it more yellow. But I'm just doing the mustard. You can also add banana peppers or something like that. Peppers to make it a little bit more spicy. You know, we don't do spice around here very well. That was a really big vidalia onion. I had Tony slice it up on the mandolin. I don't do well with mandolins. I'll cut myself. Alright.
It
What?
stopped.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry. One of these days we'll get a new one. Okay, let's make a mess.
Why didn't you use the funnel?
Oh, shoot. Hey, I was supposed to use the funnel.
Still makes a mess.
Alright, now with this, I want to save this brine because over the next week you need to make sure that this stays totally submerge, which I'm pretty sure it's going to. So what you want to do now is bring this to room temperature a little bit, and then put it in your refrigerator. Then in a week, we'll be back to show you what it looks like. It tastes like. Well, I can't show you what it tastes like, but I can tell you how it tastes. Alright? We'll be back in a week. Alright guys, it's been a week. Our Amish mustard pickled eggs have been sitting in the refrigerator. And I'm going to grab one. Whoops. Some of them onions too. Oh my God, I got one. Got two actually. Now remember, you could actually also add turmeric to this, but I didn't because I don't really know what turmeric tastes like. Look at those. You could eat these on salads, but I personally just like them all by myself. Alright guys, our Amish mustard pickled eggs are ready. I hope you've enjoyed watching doing this video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Share it out on the social media and leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up. Y'all have a good one. See you later. Bye.